This plant is one of the richest natural sources of health for human beings coming. The chemistry of the plant has revealed the presence of more than 200 different biologically active substances. Many biological properties associated with aloe species are contributed by inner gel of the leaves. Most research has been centralized on the biological activities of the various species of aloe, which include antibacterial and antimicrobial activities of the non-volatile constituents of the leaf gel. Today in this video we will discuss about importance of aloe vera. Hello everyone, welcome to Smartlyedu in Amazing Facts. Aloe vera is a perennial, succulent plant, meaning its leaves hold large quantities of water. The plant can grow up to 4 feet tall, and its tough, fleshy, spear-like leaves can grow up to 36 inches long. The clear, thick gel found in the inner part of the leaf is most commonly used for minor cuts and burns. What is aloe vera made of? Although aloe is 99% water, aloe gel also contains substances known as glycoproteins and polysaccharides. Glycoproteins speed the healing process by stopping pain and inflammation, while polysaccharides stimulate skin growth and repair. These substances may also stimulate the immune system. The cosmetic, pharmaceutical, and food industries use aloe vera extensively, and the plant has an estimated annual market value of $13 billion globally. Aloe vera is a popular medicinal plant with antioxidant and antibacterial properties. It may be useful for reducing dental plaque, accelerating wound healing, preventing wrinkles, and managing blood sugar, among other benefits. Commonly known as medicinal aloe, burn plant, lily of the desert, and elephant's gall and grit kumari in Hindi, aloe vera is perhaps the first choice from the bounty of Mother Nature, be it for enhancing skin and hair health, healing wounds, or to even promote digestion. The green cactus-looking plant grown in our gardens is a powerhouse of vital compounds that can be used right from cosmetics, nutritious juices to supplements. Moreover, aloe vera has shown other therapeutic properties including anti-cancer, antioxidant, antidiabetic, and antihyperlipidemic. Aloe vera contains more than 75 different compounds, including aloe vera contains vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B9, and vitamin B12. It also contains minerals like calcium, copper, sodium, magnesium, potassium, selenium, manganese, zinc, sugars, fatty acids, hormones, and others, etc. Benefits and uses of aloe vera are: 1. Good for our hair. 2. Boosts immunity. 3. Amazing for our skin. 4. Reduces blood sugar levels. 5. Helps in weight loss. 6. Promotes wound healing. 7. It has antioxidant and antibacterial properties. 8. It reduces dental plaque. 9. Treats constipation. 10. Reduces infection and acne. 11. It provides healthy aging benefits for skin. 12. Treats diabetes. So now let us see about any 5 in detail about its benefits and uses in this video. 1. How aloe vera is good for our hair. How do you use it to the hair? Individuals interested in aloe vera for hair care can choose from a wide variety of ways to apply it, ranging from the homemade to the mass-produced. Some people like to apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to their scalps. To do so, first cut a leaf from a live aloe vera plant. Using a spoon, collect the gel. Some like to blend it with coconut or olive oil. Rub the gel or mixture directly into the scalp and let it sit for an hour. Use a mild shampoo to wash the hair and scalp. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week, as needed. Since some people are sensitive to aloe vera, it is best to proceed cautiously and try rubbing a small amount of the gel onto the wrist first, to see if there is a reaction, before applying it to the scalp. Hair masks are also a popular way to use aloe vera for hair care. In this approach, aloe vera is mixed with one of the following: 1. Honey. 2. Jojoba oil. 3. Egg whites. 4. Fenugreek seeds. The mixture is then massaged into the scalp and hair. A shower cap is worn, and the mixture is left on for 15 minutes to 1 hour, after which it is rinsed off with a mild shampoo. What are the different forms of aloe vera? Aloe vera is widely available for purchase in many forms. While individuals sometimes cut the leaves of plants and apply the fresh gel directly, it can also be purchased in many different forms. These include as a liquid, an oil, and a gel, or in pills, shampoos, lotions, creams, and sprays. Benefits of using aloe vera to our hair. We can see changes in the below problems. 1. Rejuvenates dry scalp and hair. 2. Relieves dandruff and itchy scalp. 3. Adds soft texture by reducing frizziness. 4. Eliminates microbial infections. 5. Curbs hair fall by strengthening hair roots. 6. Stimulate healthy hair growth. 7. Imparts shine to your mane. 8. Protects your scalp and hair from sun damage. 9. Restores pH balance on your scalp. 10. Aloe vera for hair loss treatment. 2. Now let us see how aloe vera helps in boosting immunity. Having effective, daily immune support has never been more important, with the constant environmental changes and germs that we continue to encounter. And while there are some herbs known to help naturally boost immune health, people are not aware that aloe vera should be included in this list. Aloe has been shown to support immunity by actively. Aloe vera for immunity consists of several essential nutrients such as vitamin C, folic acid, vitamin B, vitamin E, etc., which are essential for boosting the function of the immune system. Minerals such as copper, calcium, chromium come together to enhance the action of the white killer blood cells on harmful pathogens, which can be useful in warding off any potential infections. Aloe vera best use for health helps in flushing out any impurities that may be a part of your system. It also contains essential nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin E, etc., which can maximize the functioning of your body's organs. Consuming aloe vera juice after prolonged workout sessions can be very useful for getting rid of the lactic acid in your body and boosting its healing process. Aloe vera recipes. Here are a few recipes which make it easy for you to include aloe vera in your daily diet. First one is aloe vera lemonade slushy. Ingredients are 1/3 cup sugar, 2.5 cups filtered water, divided, 350 milliliters natural aloe vera juice, 3/4 cup lemon juice, small handful of fresh mint. Now let us see how to do it. In a large saucepan, combine the sugar and about half a cup of water and stir over low flame until you get a simple syrup. Combine the simple syrup with aloe and lemon and mint, along with 2 cups of water and blend until smooth. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh to remove any debris from the aloe and mint. Put the mixture in an ice cream maker and set it to churn for about half an hour. Scoop out the slushy into 4 glasses, drizzle with leftover aloe juice. And your drink is ready. Second juice is watermelon aloe juice. Ingredients are 4 cups fresh watermelon juice, 2 cups cold, filtered water, 1 fresh, whole aloe leaf, aloe gel cut into 1-inch square pieces. Now let us see how to do it. 1. Wash and dry the aloe vera leaf, then cut it to remove the spiky layers and separate the extract. 2. Cut the gel into tiny 1-inch pieces and make sure not to get rid of any green skin that may be present in it. 3. Combine the aloe vera juice, watermelon juice, along with the cold water and blend until you have a smooth and consistent texture. You can also include a sweetener of your choice to give your drink some extra taste and flavor. 4. Serve chilled with some ice and a fresh sprig of mint. Your drink is ready. 3. How aloe vera reduces infection and acne. Widely used for soothing the skin, aloe vera is one of the best natural remedies for skin and is also a great healing agent for fungal infections. As it is antiseptic in nature, aloe vera works against fungus and bacteria, killing them. It can also inhibit the growth of yeast. Aloe vera has several beneficial properties that can help cure yeast infections. While pure aloe gel has antifungal properties, internal consumption can help increase white blood cells, which helps your body fight yeast from within. You can safely drink aloe vera juice every day until you see improvement. Just add 2 teaspoons of fresh aloe gel to any fruit juice and blend it together. Additionally, you could also apply pure aloe gel to the affected area 3 times a day. Those who suffer from acne will find respite in aloe vera. It helps in gentle cleansing, and its antimicrobial properties treat pimples without causing any damages to the skin. It is an antiseptic that allows protection against bacteria. Aloe vera contains polysaccharides and gibberellins. These help in the growth of new cells and at the same time, reduce inflammation and redness. It also works as an astringent that reduces the size of pores, flushing out the excess sebum, microbes, and dirt. 4. Now let us see how aloe vera helps in it reducing dental plaque. An earlier study of 15 participants with moderate periodontitis revealed the effectiveness of aloe vera on the reduction of periodontal pockets on patients who have completed rooting and scaling procedures. The results of this 2011 study indicate that aloe vera reduced the bleeding, inflammation, and swelling of the gum tissue. As a mouthwash agent, researchers concluded that it was effective in reaching areas of the gum pockets where cleaning was difficult. With its natural antibacterial properties, aloe vera accelerated the healing process. Aloe vera mouthwash is very effective in improving plaque, gingival, and gingival bleeding indices in children. In addition to frequently used toothpastes and mouthwashes, there are many other dental treatments in which aloe vera is used. Many other dental treatments in which aloe vera is used for its health properties. Aloe vera tooth gel tends to be less harsh on teeth, as it does not contain the abrasive elements typically found in commercial toothpaste. It is a great alternative for people with sensitive teeth or gums. 5. How aloe vera treats constipation. Aloe vera juice is a food product extracted from the leaves of aloe vera plants. It's sometimes also called aloe vera water. Juice may contain gel, also called pulp, latex, the layer between gel and skin, and green leaf parts. These are all liquefied together in juice form. Some juices are only made from gel, while others filter the leaf and latex out. You can add aloe vera juice to foods like smoothies, cocktails, and juice blends. The juice is a widely known health product with numerous benefits. These include blood sugar regulation, topical burn relief, improved digestion, constipation relief, and more. Let us continue remaining benefits and uses in other video. Thank you. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe.